So spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome to the channel if you are new. If you're new, then hey, I'm Shaki and I do lifestyle videos, so vlogs and self-care, them kind of stuff here, right? So today it's Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, guys. What are you doing? Comment down below, what are you guys doing for your Labor Day? You know, I'm not really doing not much. I'm not really labor today. I labor every day, so I'm not like wait for today for labor. I labor pretty much every day, so today I take it as a chill kind of day, right? And I'm also doing a little bit of self-care. So right now I've been deep conditioning my hair for over 10 minutes now. What could I for the past probably about 15-20 minutes I've been wiping this sweat thing from my face. So yeah, let's just put that on back. I'm gonna head into the bathroom right now and rinse it out. So yeah. So yes, hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys will enjoy your little Labor Day. So this is like a Labor Day vlog, but it's not gonna be just Labor Day. It's gonna be Labor Day and days after. So yeah. So right now it is 12:08 and I'm gonna be washing out this hair right now, and then later on, yeah, we blow dry and mash up, so I'm not going to blow my hair right now. I have to go buy one, but not today. So I have to go like set my hair or something to dry properly. Yeah, and then later on there's something going on down the road, some eating competition, something. I might just walk, go take a look and something, so we'll see. And then tomorrow we have somewhere to go. It's more like business, like something, you know. Yeah, so hope you guys will enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and enjoy this vlog. I'm back. So yes, finished washing out my hair and I finished setting it. So this is how it's going to dry for today. So crazy. Wait, look back. Anyways, I'm gonna find one. I'll find some feet. I'm hungry. Hey guys, so I am ready. I feel like it up on the wrong side, but hey, I'm ready. So I end up put on my bucket hat because I never like what ear dog. Anyway, so we're heading out. This is sister. Hi.
I be looking good.
Yeah,
I feel good.
my outfit kind of simple, but me try to dress it up so it kind of feel, you know, show them off.
Yeah, people, that's her outfit. And I just done a road shago, so
Going to a eating competition thing that's been kept in our community. So yeah, I gotta say, you know, I really come along, you know, really come down. I will just go reach.
Anyone here is completed.
Good morning, guys. Okay, this. Where Fanny? So we're at Mama Way, getting something to eat. My brown piece of the cat home. Your girl cannot eat it. So I'm buying something to go home. And then to eat me now, then I'll get some more back. Say hi. Hi. Long time vlogmas you.
A long time.
How's life?
I'm back from foreign.
Okay, so we get KFC. I got the make call something again. We get the wings box and also popcorn chicken. So yeah. Yes, you see me? You see me? I see you. We both looking here like big idiots. Looking for like everything. So right now we are gonna leave and then go to Kingston because we have some errands to run in Kingston as well. So today is more like an errands day. We went today to look at some business that I can't tell you guys about right now. Later on down in next channel. I don't know. Can't tell you what we go do today right now. Can't tell you. So yeah, so we went to do that business today. And then tomorrow, not tomorrow, later, when I do. Oh, and then soon. It's also there, I'm missing something. And then later on, we're going to head to the summer business. So yeah. So it's just a business day, and we're just taking time to hang out with each other because good friends, better than money. So all if you don't have money, whenever that frighten me. We still have to just, chill. So even a sweetie, we'll have fun with it. Anyways, later. To do a, what do you call this? Hygiene vlog. It's an hour. But no one do this, so nobody smell it. I don't me buy. Me tell us when we get the last one.
It's your body.
So the best one to choose in here.
It's like nasty, smelly.
I wonder if I should choose. Kinda. Look at the dish. No one. One of them chop here. For use anytime. Okay, so we're back home right now and I have the things that I bought today. So it's mostly going to be my hygiene kind of shopping haul. Yeah, it's not a part of hygiene shopping, but it's a part of hygiene. Yeah, you have to keep a clean place. So by that, this is to comb my hair. So this is 2 packs of expression 4x braids, 1B hygiene part of it. So next thing, we got some mouthwash. I bought some of my favorite Dove body spray and it's with a sprayer. I saw one girl on YouTube. What she does is spray it on her skin to keep away the, what you call that, the sweat scent off of you. I'm gonna try it. Alright, so for body scrub, I always buy the Dove one, but for some reason the Dove one, they kind of liquidy, and like they will liquid up on top. I'm like, So what I did was to buy the St. Ives First Skin Apricot Scrub. This is what it looks like, and it smells amazing to me. It smells good. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Nice little consistency. We got my new favorite lotion, the Jergens Enriching Shea Butter thing. What do you call this? Lotion. So yeah, nice little scent. I love this scent. We got my baby oil. This is a Lander baby oil. Yeah, I always use this with my lotion. So yeah,
She's a sucker for baby oil.
I love it. Next thing is my body wash, and this is the Eternal Vanilla.
You're going to heaven.
So Eternal Vanilla, right? And I have used the body splash for this once, and it was good, so I decided to try this since I was trying to find my Dove body wash, but I never find it in the scent I want. I'm gonna like them. I don't like them sweet scent here, so I buy the one I want. It's a funny balls of Vagisil, we call it spray, like, yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is the Peach Blossom. I bought some oils because I'm trying to take care of my hair. So somebody told me about like buying these oils. I was trying to find some specific ones, but the ones that she told me about from my cousin, I did not find those, but I picked up these because they're also good for your hair. So I bought the olive oil, right? Yeah, focusing on me. Yeah, olive oil. I bought jojoba oil. Yeah, so the olive oil moisturizes dry and brittle hair. Jojoba moisturize oil for hair, scalp and body. It nourishes hair to combat breakage and shedding. Then I have hemp oil, help to enhance and nourish the hair. Yeah, then we have something here though. Then I have shea butter oil. It delivers maximum shine to hair, nourishes skin, hair and scalp. This one, come on, focus. Yeah, and then the last one is the cocoa butter oil. Revitalize dull, dry, damaged hair. So yeah, hoping to like make a little mixture or something with those oils. And then for my scents, I got this Body Philosophy spray. No, I told me to pick out that one here.
Mommy smell it?
Told me literally pick out my 2 cents then when I buy it for myself.
But it's cute.
Yeah, let me say I will try it.
I didn't see these. I only saw
They were
the
up
one
at the top for now.
Oh, and I didn't go further because you guys were coming out of us.
Alright, so that's, and then my next scent was, alright, let me show you Shanique one. So Shanique bought, I found something, you just have like me. Blanc Chanel.
They don't come at me with a man on it. I like
yeah, this is the best scent she could find that suits her. And then for me, I got Lucky Girl, and I was really lucky with this because this was a pretty good scent and it was the last one that was left. So last scent that was left, so I decided to buy a new perfume because my other perfume is almost at the end and the other one is finished. Could you please focus? Could you? Thank you, focus. Yes, this is what the bottle looks like. And
so I guess I like the arbor that she did with food good there.
We find everything we want.
Yeah.
Love this, really like this. So that's all for today, guys. So that's my entire what do you call this, hygiene shopping haul. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.